Example 2. In quadrilateral WXYZ, the measure of angle W is 42 degrees, the measure of angle X is 138 degrees, the measure of angle Y is 42 degrees. Find the measure of angle Z. Is WXYZ a parallelogram? Explain. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw a picture. I'm going to make it look like a parallelogram for now. And W, X, Y, Z. We know that W is 42 degrees. We know that X is 138, which is already telling me that my picture is not drawn to scale because this should be the larger angle. Y is also 42 degrees, and it says find the measure of angle Z. Now, at the moment, my initial thought would be, wait a minute, if this is a parallelogram, then opposite angles are congruent. Yes, but at the moment, I don't know if this is a parallelogram or not, so I can't immediately jump to that conclusion. But a piece of information I can use is that all angles in a quadrilateral, and it doesn't matter what type of quadrilateral, add to 360 degrees. So I'm going to use that piece of information to find this angle. And then if this angle does turn out to be 138 degrees, then I can conclude it's a parallelogram because opposite angles are congruent. Just one set of angles being congruent is not enough to conclude it's a parallelogram. You need both. So I'm going to take 138, I'm going to add it to 42, I'm going to add it to 42. I'm going to see what that gets me. So let me grab my calculator, and that's 222 degrees. Then I'm going to take that and subtract from 360, which does get me 138 degrees. That was step one. We had to find the measure of angle Z. Is it a parallelogram? Well, now that I do know both sets, I can conclude yes, because opposite angles are congruent.